Hello everyone, my name is Aydh. I am from Dream World Robotics. I have visited Petrosains on Wednesday. My project for this camp is coffee machine. It was introduced as a modern method of making coffee. It can be functioned by such devices such as smartphone. Now let me show you how my coffee machine works. The Dream World Robotics Smart Home app. So when I press this for coffee, it will make coffee. Now let me show you inside. There is a water storage area, a pump, and a pipe that leads so the coffee comes out. When you press it, even it does. Even when you do voice recognition, it works. Coffee. Thank you.